Welcome to video lecture series on digital image processing. I am Kanakadurga from St. Peter's Engineering College, working as an associate professor in EC department. I want to discuss on morphological image processing, mainly on concentrating on erosion topic. Objectives of the talk: to understand the erosion operation, to apply the erosion operation on any image matrix. So we are concentrating mainly on the images in terms of a matrix, how we have to go for erosion operation. We are not considering how to do the operation of erosion on grayscale values and not with respect to the positions. Mainly we are concentrating on the images with respect to your matrix format. That too we are concentrating mainly on the binary images. Basics required in order to understand this talk is basic set theory and image representations. The basic set theory, we have to know how to represent the set and how to represent like intersections, union, and how to do the operations on that of the images. And next one is image representations. We are going to represent images in this talk mainly in the grid format and in the matrix format. We should be familiar with both the representations. So morphological image processing is a tool which is used for extracting image features and the structures and the shape in order for representation and for description purpose. So they are going to define like morphological is a tool or for extracting the image components that are useful in representation and description purpose for region and shape and structuring elements. Erosion operation. So normally the morphological is with respect to dilation, erosion, opening and closing operations. In the previous lecture we have discussed the dilation operation. Now in this talk I am going to concentrate mainly on the erosion of operation. So erosion of operation is simple as like and logical operation on the image with respect to a structuring elements. If I am considering the image A is there and the structuring element of B is there, if I am going to apply the erosion operation, the size of the object is going to be decreases. We will see that in the observations part. And smoothens the background of the boundaries of the values with respect to the pixel values. So what is the symbol for erosion? The symbol of the erosion minus with the circle will be the symbol for the erosion. So A erosion of B is equivalence to P belongs to Z square, where Z square represents it is a two-dimensional space. And the P of P plus B of the value should belongs to A, and for every of the small b belongs to capital B, nothing but where small a represents the image pixel value with respect to the A, and B small b belongs to the pixel value with respect to the image A, nothing but there is a image A. This is the pixel value of A, and we have the image B. This belongs to this pixel value is B. So both the value has to A small a belongs to the capital A and small b belongs to the capital B. In this, whatever the pixel value of the dilation of the resultant we are getting, that should be belongs to the capital A. Whenever we are doing with respect to the pixel value of A plus of the B of the value is there, that should belongs to the A. That is the main thing in the erosion. That is one formula of the case. And the second formula of the case is with respect to A dilation of B equals to P, such a way that it should be, the B of the image should be a subset. When you are doing the translation, Z indicates that the translation of operation. Whenever we are doing the translation of operation with respect to the B, it should be a subset of A. And what is the structuring element? The structuring element is indicated by SE, and we are going to consider the structuring element depending upon our application purpose, and whatever the problems or whatever the noises are there, in order to remove those thing purpose or in order to do the filtering purpose, we are going to considering the structuring element. The way you are considering the structuring element, the result of the erosion value is going to be changes. So structuring element plays a key role in the dilation and erosion of the concepts. We have to consider a proper structuring elements, and the structuring elements, not only the proper considering the structuring elements, we have to consider origins also perfectly for in order to get the resultant what the result you are expecting. So depending upon the case, we have to consider the structuring element and the origin. If the origin is changing, the dilation and erosion of the resultant image is going to be changes. If the structuring element is also going to be changes, the output of dilation and erosion is going to be changes. We have to consider mainly the dilation and erosions of the mainly depends, dilation and erosion concepts mainly depends upon the structuring element, and the way, the shape of the structuring elements also, it depends upon the scenario, how we are considering the shapes and sizes also comes into the picture with respect to doing the dilation and erosion operations. In this case, I am considering the 3x3 of the structuring elements. What are the basic ways you can considering the structuring elements with respect to the 3x3? In this we are discussing like fully filled, all the values goes for 1, and here fully filled is 1, non-filled is 0, and in the third case we have fully filled, not filled, don't care is nothing but it can be considered, it has either 1 or 0 value depending upon our application purpose, or depending upon the scenario purpose. In this case also the same, 1, 0, don't care is nothing but either 1 or 0, we can consider them. So I am considering the image G. The image is fully filled image. I am considering all the cells as being fully filled. In order to show the variations, how to do the analysis of erosion concept, I am using fully filled of image for just analysis purpose. Normally in the images we cannot have fully filled values of the objects. We will have the background also. For analysis purpose only just have taken for fully filled object in order to show the variations. And the image is A over here. The all fill has been the fully filled elements represents or else the cell indicates that 1 if any background non-filled value goes for 0. So the image has been fully filled, all the values has been 1 in this case. And when it comes to the structuring element, having the fully filled cells and not filled cells also. Filled cells are 1s, not filled cells are 0s. That belongs to the background. And we already discussed the structuring element shape keeps a main role in this 3x3, and we have to consider the origin also, and considering this center goes for the origin. Okay, how to do the analysis of erosion of operation? So which pixel I want to do the erosion of operation, that pixel I have to consider. I am considering I want to do the erosion operation on this pixel. So I have to keep this structuring element of the origin should be coincide on this. So once we have kept, we have to go for comparison, what are the cells has been matched or not matched. Considering the image in terms of ones and zeros, object represents ones and background represents zeros. So in this case, how do we have to do the erosion operations? We will see. The structuring element values are 1, 1 here, 1, 1, 1, right? And the image values has been here 1, 1, 1, 1. And in this case, the structuring is 0, right? So we have to go for doing of erosion operation. We have to go for comparison of their pixel values after keeping the structuring element on the image. So if you observe, 1 1 is matching, okay, 1 1 is matching and 1 1 is matching, but the next case 1 0 is not matching the case. If any one of the case does not matches, the resultant of the erosion of the value goes for 0. So in this case, a erosion of B is equals to 0 for this position of the pixel value. Okay, for this position of the pixel value, the value of A erosion of B goes for 0 of the value. So if I want to go for second pixel of the analysis, we have to keep the structuring element like this, and I have to consider the values of erosion, and we have to go for comparison once again. If I have to do, I will do that once again. So here structuring element is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? The remaining cases, all the images of pixel values has been ones. Okay, this value matches, this value matches, and this value matches. But in this case also the same case here, the value does not matches with respect to nothing but image value is 1 and structuring value is 0. So it also does not matches. So the position of erosion with respect to B across this position of resultant of the pixel value is equals to 0. So this is the way we have to go for analysis in a grid format. Like the structuring element, we have to keep on rotating on the total image, and we have to do the analysis for total image in order to calculate their dilated or erosion of the operation of the values. So we are considering here the erosion of operation of the values. So in this case, if all the pixel values has been matched, only the resultant goes for 1. Otherwise, the case of the values goes for 0. So next, go with the example in terms of a matrix. How we can do the erosion of operation in order to observe the observations purpose. I am considering the matrix format in terms of a grid format. So the matrix of A can be represented, 1 is nothing but fully filled and 0 is nothing but not filled case. So this value is full, 1 is there, so fully filled with respect to grid value of the cell value, and here the 0 and 1 and 1 1 0 case of. And the same structuring element of the B, first one is 1, so filled, second one is 0, not filled. And for either a dilation and erosion concepts purpose, we have to know which one is the origin for the structuring element. So I am considering this as a origin for the structuring element. The same matrix I have taken for analysis purpose, which I have taken in the dilation of operation. If you want to see, you can see the previous lecture of dilation of video also. So we will see how to do the analysis of erosion operation with respect to your matrix format. So in this case, the first element I have to do the erosion operation. So I have to keep the structuring element of the origin should coincide on this. So keep 1 0. 1 1 is matching, 0 0 is matching, so all the values has been matched, nothing but it is fully matching. If it fully matches, the value goes for 1, otherwise it goes for 0. For the second case purpose, 1, 0. If you observe, 1 and 0 is not matching over here. If any one of the case of the value does not matches, the resultant value goes for 0. So this is 0. And the next case, 1 and 0, third case. In this case, 1 1 is matching, only one value is there for comparison. So one value has been matched, so the value of the resultant goes for here is 1. The next case, so 1 0, 1 1 is matching, but 1 0 is not matching. If any one of the case of the value does not matches, the erosion of operation value goes for 0. One 0, 1 1 is matching, 0 0 is also matching, so the resultant value goes for 1. Next case, third case, 1 0. For the comparison purpose, we have only one value, 1 0 is not matching, so the resultant goes for 0. And next case, 1 0, 1 0 itself does not matches, resultant goes for 0. 1 0, here 1 0 also does not matches, the resultant goes for 0. And the last case, 1 0 does not matches, so resultant goes for 0. So the erosion of the matrix, we got 1 0 1 0 1 0, all the last rows has been 0, nothing but 0 0 0. How to represent in a grid format is observe that 1 has been there, we are considering it is a filled object, and non-filled objects has been with respect to the 0 of the cases. So the erosion of the image goes for, in this this is the image with respect to the erosion of A, erosion of B, and if you compare with respect to the original image of A, in this erosion we have 3 values like 1 2 3, okay. And in this, the original image of A has been having the cells of object values has been with respect to 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, right? So in the original image we have 4 pixel values, but in the erosion of the value, one value has been decreased. Okay, so in this, the erosion going to decrease the size of the object. That is a main observation. When you compare the sizes of the objects, it goes for decreasing purpose when I am going to apply the erosion operation. Indirectly, if you want to see with respect to what happens with respect to the background, since it is a complementary, either 1 or 0, if it is 1, it goes for 0, right? So the background values are 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? In this we have 1 2 3 4 5. So in this, object value has been decreased, but observe for with respect to the background. In the background of the original image having only 5 pixel of the values. When it comes to the erosion of the image of the values, the background values has been increased 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. Nothing but here the object sizes going to be decreases, but for the background of the values our size is going to be increases. This is the main observation with respect to the erosion of images. If anything is there in the background of the noise is there in the background, if you are going to apply the erosion operation, it going to remove the noise in the background. If any breakages or anything has been there in the background, or also it going to fill up. Mainly if the background is going to aided by the any noise is going to be added with respect to any noise, the erosion operation is going to reduce that. Mainly in the erosion concepts, we have to remember, whenever I am applying the erosion operation on any image with respect to the structuring element, the size of the object is going to be decreases. When comes to the dilation operation, it increases the size of the operation. When comes to the erosion operation, it going to decrease the size of the operation. So dilation increases, erosion decreases with respect to the sizes of operations. So or else we can have to remember with respect to, if any noise is there in the object, it going to be removed with respect to the dilation. Erosion is going to decrease the noise in the background cases. So observations: erosion operation decreases the sizes of the object, and erosion operation removes the noise of the pixels present in the background. The references. Thank you.